Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Luxury 1272, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews of the most luxurious vehicles on the market. Today, we're diving into the stunning exterior of the 2025 Nissan Armada, a full-size SUV that makes a bold statement with its commanding presence and exceptional design. Let's start with the Armada's design language. The 2025 Nissan Armada continues to evolve while staying true to its roots. It boasts an aggressive yet refined appearance that's unmistakably modern. At the front, the massive V-motion grille takes center stage, framed by chrome accents that emphasize the SUV's wide and confident stance. This grille not only adds to the Armada's visual appeal but also reflects Nissan's design DNA in every detail. Flanking the grille are a pair of redesigned LED headlights that command attention. The C-shaped lighting signature is both functional and stylish, providing exceptional visibility while enhancing the Armada's modern aesthetic. Below, you'll find integrated LED fog lights, seamlessly blending into the sculpted front bumper, adding both utility and a touch of sophistication. Moving to the side profile, the 2025 Armada showcases a muscular silhouette that exudes power and capability. The strong character lines running along the doors create a sense of motion even when the vehicle is standing still. Enhancing this dynamic look are the bold fender flares, which house impressive 22-inch aluminum alloy wheels. These wheels, with their intricate multi-spoke design, strike the perfect balance between ruggedness and elegance. The chrome window trim and roof rails add a premium touch to the overall design. Meanwhile, the floating roof effect, achieved by the blacked-out pillars, gives the Armada a sleek and contemporary edge. It's a clever detail that elevates the vehicle's aesthetics and adds a sense of modernity to this full-size SUV. Around the rear, the 2025 Armada continues to impress with a sophisticated and purposeful design. The LED taillights are slimmer and sharper than before, stretching horizontally across the tailgate for a wide and modern appearance. The bold Armada badging in chrome stands prominently, reinforcing the vehicle's upscale character. The rear bumper integrates dual exhaust outlets with a polished finish, subtly hinting at the power under the hood while maintaining a clean and cohesive look. The sculpted tailgate, with its aerodynamic spoiler, not only enhances the vehicle's aesthetics but also improves efficiency. Now, let's talk about color options because Nissan has outdone itself here. The 2025 Armada comes in a range of premium colors, from the timeless pearl white dry coat to the striking super black and the sophisticated Hermosa blue pearl. Each color is carefully selected to complement the Armada's bold design elements, ensuring it stands out wherever it goes. Performance-wise, the exterior design of the 2025 Nissan Armada plays a significant role in its overall capabilities. The large grille and air intakes optimize airflow to the powerful V8 engine, enhancing cooling and overall performance. The wide stance and aerodynamic shape contribute to improved stability and reduced drag, making it not only a powerful SUV but also one that's surprisingly efficient for its size. Taking a step back, let's appreciate the heritage that informs this design. The Nissan Armada has been a staple in the full-size SUV segment for decades, known for its blend of rugged capability and refined luxury. The 2025 model builds on that legacy with a fresh, modern approach that stays true to its roots. It's a vehicle designed for those who demand both style and substance. Finally, no review of the Armada's exterior would be complete without discussing its attention to detail. From the sharp creases in the bodywork to the high-quality finishes on every trim piece, Nissan has gone above and beyond to ensure the 2025 Armada stands out in a crowded market. It's a design that commands respect and admiration from every angle. So, there you have it. The 2025 Nissan Armada is not just a full-size SUV, it's a statement of modern luxury, rugged capability, and timeless design. Whether you're cruising the city streets or venturing off the beaten path, this SUV is sure to turn heads and make an unforgettable impression. Thanks for watching Luxury 1272. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Nissan Armada's exterior, Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments what you think of the Armada's design and which feature stands out most to you. Until next time, stay luxurious.